Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and this is a secret craft room. Today I'm going to show you how I made these faux stained glass origami cranes. They're made of mirror and they catch the light beautifully. They look so magical displayed together. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, I cut out the template I made and then I traced it onto 1mm foam board and then I cut them out. There is a link to the template in the description box below. Next I added self-adhesive mirror film to them on both sides of each piece. Next I used black hot glue and covered all the edges. I have used regular hot glue in the past for similar projects and then just painted it black. That works too, but using black hot glue makes the process a lot faster and easier. Next I glued all the pieces together. I also made a little loop out of 1mm black aluminum wire, but I was out of frame while filming this. I added the loop to the inside of the crane before gluing the last pieces together. Lastly, I mixed gold and brown acrylic paint to create a darker gold shade and painted all the black hot glue with it. I prefer the gold instead of black, but of course you could leave it black if you want to. Please don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.